Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about small steps and big change. Small steps create big change. Big change never starts big. It starts small. Most people wait for perfect moment, but progress comes from small steps taken every day. One page read daily builds knowledge. One skill practice daily builds ability. One honest action daily builds trust. If you are young, don't rush for big results. Focus on small steps you can repeat. 5 minutes today is better than 0. One step today is better than waiting. Small steps don't feel powerful, but taken daily, they change everything. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.